Hey guys, today I'll be showing you my ventriloquist. I don't know what name it is. I think I want to name him Johnny. I don't know what his name is. And he's a ventriloquist. And it comes with a little stick and you could take it off. You could take it off. That's what I did. And I leave it with a special place for my dog. Oh, my dog loves to eat things. That's why I keep it up on my collector's shelf. And I'm going to show you how to control it. And you see this little rip hole? This little rip hole is not broken. It's not ripped or anything. Just telling you. If you have it, if you got it, because I got it from my mom and dad, because today's my birthday, and he has nice shoes. Nice shoes. And you could, when you move your hand, you need to put it up, and then you could talk, and then it talks. And then if you move your hand around, that means it's inside the head. That means your hand is inside the head and you're controlling the ventriloquist. And you need to try, if you want the ventriloquist to not talk, you try to move your mouth. I move it sometimes. Like, watch me. Hello. Oh, hello, YouTubers. And you. I'm going to be showing you a ventriloquist. See? It's real easy. You try to not open your mouth when you're want to let the ventriloquist talk. He has a really good inside in here. It's good. I love how they put the inside of his mouth. It's really cool. This is everything of him. And if you want to take off the stick, I didn't know how it was. I just took it off, and then like a regular ventriloquist looks like. And it has a little hook, like it's okay, and then just slide it in. Just slide it. And this is what it looks like. And with it was on the right hand, but it's okay. Hello. Is your day okay? Hey, cool. Oh yeah. The victory dance. Oh yeah. Watch you wet. Watch you nene. Oh yeah. Watch you wet. Watch you nene. Watch you nene. I love that song. Everybody loves it in my class. And goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Johnny, say goodbye.